on the 6th to 14th of November 2024. So follow our official social media, Mr. Tourism World Official. So we are not promising anything, but we are trying our best to have a grand show this year.
Congratulations, Madam Sharina, for that. And for the last 7 years of Mr. Tourism World, you have been staging the pageant in different countries. So, how do you see it in the last 7 years? And your last message before you
Yeah. I have been in the pageantry since 2011. So, ilang taon na ako? 2021 is 10 years. 22, 11, 23, 12, 13. 13 years in the industry. And I know some of you follow already my journey in the pageant industry. Yeah? Maybe I haven't talked to you, but they know me in person. I know most of the media here in the Philippines knows me and they have an idea who am I. Going back to the question, what happened to the last 7 years of Mr. Tourism World? What I can say is, it is a struggle. Mahirap po. It's not easy to stage pageant. We know all of that. Pageant is not only an entertainment, it's a business. When you say business, it involves money. So, it's not very easy. There was a struggle for the past 7 years of the organization. Even though we are just small, as they said, I try my best to stage the competition in different parts of the world. In our first edition, we held it here in Philippines in cooperation with the provincial government of Ilocos Sur, Bigan City. And on my second edition, we did it in Myanmar. In Myanmar. What's the capital of Myanmar? Yangon. Yangon, Myanmar. That's the second edition. So, and the third edition, we went to Rome, Italy. Yeah, in Europe. In the fourth edition, we went to Malta in Europe. In the fifth edition, gosh, there was COVID. So, no, on 2020, there's no competition because of COVID. Then after that, the fifth edition went to Dominican Republic in Santo Domingo. So it is the Caribbean area. And the sixth edition come back to the Philippines again. So Philippines hosted the competition for 2 times. And the 7th edition last year was in Brazil. In, what is that place? Salvador de Bahia, the northern part of Brazil. And then this year, on our 8th edition, we come back to Asia, which is in Vietnam. We are small, they said, but we can manage. That we are proud to say. They said we are small, but we can manage to stage the competition across the globe. Clap your hands! Hindi po madali. That is that's the history of the simple history of Mr. Tourism World. So, yeah, it's tiring, sometimes it's frustrating, but the energy and passion come within. Thank you for the support of many people who are still believe in the cause and vision of Mr. Tourism World Organization. So that's Adrian, yeah, that's a very good question. Thank you for that question so that I can share with them the history and journey of Mr. Tourism World through the years. At sana, tumagal pa. Sana, marami pang maniwala. Maraming salamat po.
So, Mr. Tourism World, when Sharina opened the franchise for the Philippines, there were many who applied, but the only one who accepted the challenge was Mr. Apollo Smith. So, congratulations, sir. Do you have any last piece or message to all before we end this press conference?
Yeah. As I said before, during my inspirational talk, Mr. Tourism World is already 8 years this year. Wala pa po naging Mr. Tourism World Philippines contest. Within the span of 8 years in the making, no Mr. Tourism World Philippines contest in the Philippines. This is the first time. That's why we are here. And I'm so grateful you witnessed this important event from us. And I'm so glad and very thankful to Apollo for his courage to stand and to lead the organization here in the Philippines. And I'm so grateful to these young people and the media and the sponsors who trusting us and believing us doing this cause, this vision, this mission. Maraming salamat po.
Last message? Okay. Of course, I would like to thank all the people inside this hall, the viewers, our title holder from Vietnam, Thailand, and Philippines, and to all the guests who are here, who witnessed this press conference and the screening of Mr. Tourism World Philippines. And I will make the best of this organization to be the leading male pageantry in the Philippines with love, respect, and integrity. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. How about a big hand once again to the newly National Director of Mr. Tourism World Philippines. And of course, mga kaibigan, the celebration wouldn't be complete without a toast. So please grab your glasses for the success. Advance congratulations. Any more message for Apollo before the toast?
Okay, people of the Philippines, worldwide, viewers inside the hall, and all the people who are believe that Apollo Gubernilan will make the male pageantry of Mr. Tourism World Philippines to become success. So I have to give you applause for this.
Cheers! And once again, thank you very much to all of our media partners, to all your tremendous support for the organization. Thank you so much. So right now we'll be having a photo op with our, of course, media partners today. Stand by because we'll be having the final screening for Mr. Tourism World Philippines. Stick around. Stand by performers for a group photo opportunity on stage with Sir Apollo and Ma'am Jovina together with our visitors. say thank you to all our sponsors. Hotel Lucky Chinatown. Maraming salamat. Go Hotels, .ph, Light Skin by Galway Trading Incorporated, and Apollo Swimming Productions. To all our artists, thank you so much for sharing your talents today.
A little bit down. Okay, closer.
Sorry. Hindi ko abot eh.
And also, please do support Benedict Paulo Benduan on The Voice Teams Philippines. Mamaya po ipapalabas ng kanyang performance, so please watch out for that. Congratulations. Here we have the performers on stage for the photo op, please. Rent, Ana, Marty, and
Walang share yan. Sa ano?
together with Prince and on stage.
End mo lang. Dapat nung nag-live ka, doon may share
Baba na lang daw.
Screenshot mo yan.
Baba na lang daw.
Straight.
Right, closer.
One more.
One more.
And of course, please don't leave yet because we have prepared something to everyone. We have our early dinner. May we have our pageant medias, please? May we have the provincial director of Zambales and Batangas, please? Again, may we have the provincial director of Batangas on stage for the photo op.
Sa baba sila.
On stage for the women. Thank you.
No, wait, closer.